Whew, look at that. Wouldn't you say it's raining grails today? Anyway, why don't we take a look and see what the weather's brought us? So I found a dealer of my local skate shop actually had these in a personal collection and said, hey, I've got a few gems if you're interested. And yeah, I'm interested anyway. Yeah, so the way it works up here in Canada, especially when it's chilly like this, is when you have something really special like this, come on. Oh, Canada, one step at a time, right? Come on. It's one step at a time here. And yeah, anyway, let's get into the box, why don't we? Anyway, it's sneaker time. Ooh, wait. Ooh, wait. Okay, let me look at them now. Damn. Oh, they're so fuzzy. I don't even want to touch the fuzz. Just damn. Wow, fam. Look at the inner on those. The inner of the tongue. Nice black label there. More dead stock than a dead person. Beautiful. Wow, look at that pair of sneakers, fam. They're so soft and just this is one of my grails. This is incredible. The Nike SB Dunk High Huxtable, Bill Cosby's. The Nike SB Dunk High Huxtables. Wow, what a pair. Well, there's a little speck on the swoosh. There we go. Just incredible. Anyway, thanks for taking a look at me opening this pair. Somebody agrees. Anyway, thanks so much, and happy collecting, everybody. This is what it works up to be. Cheers, eh? Hey there, thanks for joining me, for checking out these absolute grails re-added to the collection. Yeah, absolute beautiful. Anyway, thanks. If you're not already, you know how it works. Hit that down there, a thumbs up, and subscribe. Gonna be a lot more sneakers. Yeah, hard to believe, but a lot more sneakers coming, more unboxings. But yeah, anyway, thanks for your time and happy collecting, everybody.